All right, here we go, guys and girls. First of all, we're gonna do, Billy Bob, put the key in the on position for me. Come on, man, let's go, let's go. See, it's raining. Now, the first thing we're gonna do, make sure, you remember this, we verify this window's definitely not working. Not going up or down, all right? So let's get this off. Cut the key off. Cut the key off. All right, the next thing we're gonna do, you see this cover over here? Just gonna pop that cover off. And the speaker might come out, the little tweeter, but that's okay. It just snaps into place in here. So that is definitely okay. And what you want to do here, if you don't want this hang, look at this connector right here. And what you do is just squeeze it in, squeeze the top half in, and unplug it. Dang, man. This thing gets kind of... What the freak, man?
You push that little metal, that little tab in the front. Right.
Why do I even listen to him? All right.
Yeah, it worked then.
All right, we're gonna put that to the side. The next thing we're gonna do is get us a little pick or a small screwdriver. And there's a cover right here. There's a little cover, so you stick your, you can get that? Gonna stick the pick in there, and just pop that off. Open the handle up. And pop that little piece right off. You can see there's only those little clips up there. They're holding it in. Put that to the side, because you got a Phillips screw in there. The next thing you want to do is get you a Phillips screwdriver. And I'm going to use my little cordless screw gun right here. Get my Phillips adapter. Okay. You got one screw inside there. Okay, be careful with that. Take it off. And that's right, you can take this off if you want. But I'm just gonna leave that just like that, because there's cables behind there, so don't try to pull this out. Just make sure that's loose. Put your screw to the side. The next thing you're gonna do, inside the door right here, you got another Phillips screw.
There's a microphone in the way. There you go.
So we get that screw out of there. All right, got that off. Everything's looking good. Now the two screws that you took out, they're basically the same. So it doesn't matter, you can cross them, put them together if you want. The next thing you're gonna do is you gotta manhandle this cover. This thing's got clips all around it that pops in. So what you do, you can get you a body thing in there and put it in there. What you're gonna do is just find the ending over here, make sure there's no screws around, and just pop it out just like that. Just go all around the door, and when they're out, make sure they're all out. You're gonna pick the door handle up over the lip and then over. Now, while that's off, you can take your door handle, turn it sideways, bring it right through that cover just like that. Now we're not done yet. Over here, we got two plugs. Matter of fact, guys, just let's let that down there right there. Now, let's see if we can get this without. Let's see if we can do this without it. First, let's make sure nothing's in the. We're gonna try to turn this upward. Dang, I still can't get to it. I'm trying to use the air gun. Use the cordless gun, but I can't. I'm gonna have to use a regular socket and ratchet, don't I?
Yeah.
All right, here's our door motor. Here's our window motor right here. So what I want to do here, what I'm gonna do here, guys, get this little clip right here that pops those into place. That's popped into place. Pop that out just like that. Bring that to the side. Now we got 3 screws holding this in. Looks like about a 10 millimeter.
Mm-hmm.
All right. 10 millimeter. I'm going to turn our adapter over here. And what we got is an adapter to put 3/8 drive ratchets on, sockets on. Put that in there. Put out 10mm deep. You can use a shallow or you can use a ratchet, either one. Take those 3 bolts out of there. Now, when you do this, see I got that last one out like that? You want to make sure, because once you take that out, take that motor out, there's going to be no resistance on this window motor. The window motor, not me, the window motor. Now, so, yeah, so what you want to do is hold the window in place. Take that screw out of there just like that. And matter of fact, you know what? Don't do that. I'll be right back. Let me get a piece of cardboard. I'll be right back. All right, got me a nice thick piece of cardboard. I want to make sure this thing is nice and tight. Not too tight where you're going to shatter the glass, but then you're replacing the glass. And that's just to hold that glass into place while we go over here. And just in case, I'm going to put my hand right here, and we're going to take that motor right out of there. Now, the next thing we're going to do, while the motor's out, we're going to have Billy Bob put the key back on.
And so you all know you can buy a window wedge.
All right, we got the motor out. Billy Bob, cut the key on. We're gonna make sure, check this out, guys. Watch this. Our motor is working. The problem is the motor does not have enough power to work that window regulator. So what we're gonna do here is, and we stuck some screws in there just in case don't make sure it lines up. We're gonna get our new motor. We're gonna plug that up. And notice the difference in that? A lot more torque. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is shut the key off. Now we're gonna hook our motor back up to the regulator assembly. Now the regulator assembly latches on to this outside cover, so you ain't gotta worry about it dropping off or nothing, except dropping bolts. That's what you gotta worry about. All right, so what we're gonna do is put this up there. You see how it stays in there? That's so you can just change the motor assembly. And then we're gonna line everything up, put our bolts in. And dang, I got the other bolt over there. All right, I'll be right back. Let me get the...
Man.
You got the bolt? No, man, that ain't the bolt.
Oh, no, that ain't it.
All right, I'll be back. Let me get the other bolt. All right. Got the old bolts lined in. Now, right now, the motor, oh, look at that. That thing lined up perfectly. Because if it didn't line up perfect, what you would do is take your glass and move your glass up and down a little bit until that motor gets locked in there. All right, we're in there. Great. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and tighten up these bolts. All right, be right back. All right, want to make sure everything is out of the way. We got our new motor in there. Let's plug it up. Now remember, guys, we're gonna do this again. I'm showing you because a lot of people. What?
That plug right there. Yeah. No, yeah, there you go.
Oh, you ain't gotta worry about that. That's good, man. Shut up. Why don't you shut up, mind your business, and do the camera? All right, again, we're gonna do this again, guys. I'm gonna show you. And you saw this window did not work. We got this in there. Billy Bob, cut the key on. This motor does work. Problem is, it does not have enough torque, just like a starter. A starter don't have enough torque to turn the motor over. So we're gonna plug this one in. All right, and let's try this out here. Oh yeah, there we go. Everything's lined up, everything's perfect.
You ever snatch the whole car down when you go down.
That's right.
Watch this.
No, man. No.
No, I want him to see.
So, cut the car, man. You can see it later, man. I'm trying to put this thing back together. All right, guys, girls. Let me get this stuff out of the way because it's starting to rain, and we'll be right back. All right, here we go. Let's get this thing back together. Now, what did you want to do? You want to do some talking or something, man? It's starting to... Man, hurry up, man, because it's starting to rain out here.
I just wanted to see this thing snatch this door down. Hit the button.
Okay, which way?
I have to see how that whole door just jumped. Snatch it down.
All right, you done now?
Yeah.
All right, the next thing we're going to do, guys, girls, We go up here, put our door handle over through here. The next thing you're gonna do is make sure your wire's right there. Now, there's a lip right here. You gotta make sure the lip of this door panel goes over this door, over this metal part. All right. Once you got that locked on in there, then you gotta go around and pop those clips. Matter of fact, let's get Billy Bob over here. Let's get our cart back. All right, so come on this side so you can see the. You see the clips right there, and they line up with holes in the door. You want to make sure those are all lined up. That's what you've been pulling out. So we're gonna get them lined up. Get out of the way, man. Just pop them in. All right, once they're all popped in, the next thing we're gonna do is go over here to our door handle. That just puts into place. Let's get our screwdriver.
I will grab the gun while you're there.
I know what I'm doing.
And you would give it to me that gun.
I know what I'm doing. Why you constantly picking on me? What's the purpose of it? I don't get it. See, I think you guys gotta cut it out because you swell this guy's head up too much. Billy Bob Badass ain't so bad, you know. Y'all thinking y'all been thinking he God's gift to the world. Y'all better cut that out. This is Astro, damn it. All right, let's go over here. Bum ass. All right.
Wait till you guys like, too many more of your bum.
All right, go put our screw right inside here. Perfect. Let's get our little clip that goes in here. Just line that up. It snaps right into place. Then we got our screw down in here. And you see, notice how I'm about to push on the door a little bit to get this. I gotta push on the door a little bit to get that lined up. Make sure that's in there. All right. That's going into plastic, so don't be going crazy on that. The next thing we're gonna do is get our speaker hooked up. Now, what you want to do is first hook our speaker up into here. Now your speaker goes right here. Huh?
You're moving, I can't even catch up with you.
Okay. We're gonna make sure, we're gonna put our speaker into the thing. And it's gonna snap right into place. Just like that. Get our plug. Plug it up. You got two tabs right here. You go to the two holes right here. Just get those lined up. Push it into place. Done. Finished. Let's try it out one more time. Let's start it up this time. All right. Let's put the people's stuff back in the door. And there we go. Look at that, guys. Look at that, girls. Perfect. All right. Now, even though now what you want to do, you don't be like a lot of people. You got a lot of prints up here. And if you watch our video on window tinting by Billy Bob, he always makes sure that the window is clean. So this is the same case scenario. You don't want to give no people their car back with no fingerprints on there. So we're gonna get some Windex and clean this up. Be right back. All right, got some little glass cleaner. And actually, this is the glass cleaner from when again, go back to the window tinting video. That's like Billy Bob said. He put it in a little cup. Then we put it right back in the same bottle. You can save it. Let's go out here.
That window ain't clean, you won't get nothing to eat today. I see a bird running to that window 3 minutes after we did it.
Hey, you know.
Like, boom! I didn't know that window was there.
to the inside. And what I might do, I'm gonna just spray a little bit on the panel. So we got our fingerprints up there. Get that cleaned up. And I'll admit it too. I got no problem with that. All right, there you go, guys.